Here we go. So, at the Rotary Walkway, walking instead of running because I'm too tired and sore to do that. But the weather is just so nice. I'm being sarcastic, by the way. It's cloudy, windy, perfect for exercising anyway, perfect weather because you don't get so hot and stuffy. But it's one of those days where I wish I could just be snuggled in bed doing nothing, but I'm out here trying to get my health better. So I got scared back there to try this way because it looks like it's for kids. It might have a weight limit of 100.
We're at the specific number.
Hey, I know the amounts I weigh. And it seemed a bit unstable and I thought, oh, nah, I'm not gonna try. But we forge ahead with the walk.
So we're done with our walk. We're walking back now. And next up is the museum. Because the weather is not that great, it's probably easier to go to do some indoor stuff, and the museum seems like the perfect thing to do. So here we go.
Some of us like to remain bright and sunny, so I'm wearing this cute yellow dress. Oh, let me suck that. I'm wearing this cute yellow dress from the warehouse that I got for $4, and I'm wearing this black top, just a regular black top, because it's cold. So, ooh, excuse the guts. Yep. You know, ooh, forgot to suck that in. Ooh. But we're on our way. So parking is a bit of a nightmare. We've been going around and round in circles and the weather is like terrible. Oh yeah, now they're leaving. So we finally made it. Oh my god, we almost died from the weather outside. As you can tell, water on my glasses.
So bad.
Oh my goodness. But we finally made it at the museum, and I think we've got a map
And we will
that
try
will be
to
following
figure out
where we are.
So what do you think?
I haven't started thinking yet. So this is like a traditional waka. I thought it was just like, you know, built for the museum, but actually it belongs to somebody.
Those are some big holes.
Wow. What about albatross? Albatross birds.
Very realistic.
Which area is this now?
Oh,
It's
the
natural history.
natural history.
Natural history. Ancient
Oh, ancient
world.
ancient world. And
Oh, actually, no, it's not the ancient world.
is it not?
Alas. It's the weird. No, it is ancient world. Is it?
Yeah, I think it is.
Origins, maybe?
Probably close enough.
Close enough. Okay.
So what do you think?
No, seriously, this thing is dead. Isn't the thing moving?
Did it rock?
No, are you sure?
It's supposed to be cheese. Oh, these are fancy timepieces.
Oh my god.
This guy might have been a baller back in the day, holding a watch like that.
Does this not make you want to return to church? Now that I've seen, you know, it's like,
Oh my gosh, okay. This is like ancient Egypt.
no,
Greece.
Greece. I loved classical studies when I was in high school, so I know this is a hydria.
A what?
A hydria.
Oh.
And it's like a jug that they used for like water. But because I didn't-
Hydria.
Hydria, yeah. Because I
What quiz? You told us what the Hydra was. What is this?
this
Yes.
is a jug.
Wow.
A jug.
Oh,
It's a pot.
It's a pot. You were actually not far off. It's just a pot. There's nothing. Doesn't have a special name.
About the ancient world is there's nothing there from the ancient world of Africa. They forgot.
Africa is
They
still in the
forgot.
ancient world. So.
They forgot.
Okay.
Ooh,
Okay.
to climb.
Just admit it. You wanted to climb.
I'm not gonna climb a volcano. I'm getting in touch. Getting in touch with my African.
Well, let me have a go. Let me have a go. Fashion try-ons today. You didn't anticipate. This is what you were going to be trying on.
Wow, it's heavy.
Oh, yes.
Oh, look at me. I'm looking real snazzy.
Look at that.
This is so heavy.
How does it
And look
feel?
how big the head is. My head is so
wow.
small.
This does feel heavy.
It is so heavy. Apparently they used to use them as blankets as well. Now we're heading back
Yeah,
into the wind.
it's been a weird and wonderful day.
Yeah.
We are done.
Yeah.
We're heading
it
out
was
now.
actually quite nice week here.
It was.
Safe from the rain.
The weather is bad, so it's good that we got to have a bit of fun in the museum.